Yeah. Where's your Christmas spirit? I would love to see you dancing. Come on, take a first step. My love is gifted for you to help you through the river. I know you went through a lot, but why not take a second shot?
Perfect way to start your morning is to get up early. Well, it's not too early because it's already like 9:20 a.m. I literally have to force myself to get up because I could have been still sleeping at this time and wake up like around 11 a.m. but I got up and here we are. I'm just gonna put on what's going on. If my face looks extra puffy, I don't know if it's from the food that I ate last night. I ate a bunch of chicken strips, breaded chicken strips, and fries. My battery's about to die. I'm just gonna tie my hair and I'm about to leave now. Talk to you guys later.
Right now nothing's the same. I wish you could see it too. It's been way too long. Wish I could turn back time to see you at Christmas. If only I wish I could see you in front of me. Wish we could decorate the Christmas tree. I wish you could say pero me hace daño. No recuerdo bien tu cara. Solo le pido a Santa que te traiga un rato conmigo. Un rato conmigo.
Tito Jimmy mo.
Just got home and we went to Five Below. So this one is the one I got last year and then came with this pen and some stickers that I have on my computer. So I was kind of looking for that. I got this. Oh my gosh. This comes with the pen, different color, and then some stickers right there. It's so cute because all of the Sanrio, or most of the Sanrio characters are in this picture. Most. I said most because I don't think Pochaka's in there. No, they did Pochaka dirty right there. Pochaka is not in the picture. So sad. I love Pochako. Hashtag justice for Pochako. Twinning with this one. I ended up getting this. It's lined. But what's cute is like, look. There's Sanrio characters dividers. They're so cute. Ah, see, it's so cute. And you know me, I'm a hoe for Sanrio. That was so bad. Pachaco, let's go. Pachaco. I got myself this playing cards. I don't usually play cards, but this is gonna be cute for my collection. Look. So cute. Oh my gosh. And then the last thing that I got, it's a gift. It's a gift. I was like, I have to get it. So yeah, that is it for now. Bye. Good morning, friends. Hello. As you guys can tell, just woke up. And I've been having a sore throat for like 2 weeks already. Not good. Not good. Wait, let me get my package downstairs because I know I just got my YesStyle package today. Like, your girl was crying. I wish this was sponsored, but it's not. I love YesStyle, you guys. Bubble wrap, that's free. I've been waiting for this package because I have 2 sunscreens that I really need, especially for my upcoming trip. But I need my sunscreen. Give me my sunscreen. So I bought a bunch of stuffs from YesStyle. First is this. My god, my voice is so. I got this Round Lab cleanser. Round Lab 1025 Doctor cleanser. A low pH cleanser whose soft and dense foam bubbles neatly remove invisible ultra-fine particles, making clear and healthy skin without leaving any feeling of tightness. Let's see about that. Okay, this APU. I still don't know how to pronounce this properly, but I've been using this years now. I love this sunscreen. SPF 50 PA++++. That's it. Sunscreen number 2, Misha Essence, the SPF 45 PA+++. Next, our favorite cleansing balm, Vanilla Co. At this point, Vanilla Co needs to sponsor me because come on now. Next thing that I got is this Moni or Moni, whatever. Waterproof pen eyeliner in the shade. Oh, this is the McQueen. The McQueen. Oh, okay. I got the deep brown one. Number 2, deep brown. I always need a new eyeliner because I love my eyeliner. It looks like this. Last one is this McQueen. Collagen Vita Wrinkle Multi Balm. You guys, I don't know if you guys have seen any Korean dramas, but there's this one that my mom saw this multi balm that she used, and she was like, I want that one too. This is why I got her the dupe, because the other one is kind of expensive, and I looked at reviews and they said that it works kind of similar to that one as well. So I was like, mother, you're getting it, but you're getting the dupe. It smells like Vaseline. It's giving Vaseline vibes. And I think, and we got a little sample right here from Madagascar Centella Ampoule. That's about it for my YesStyle haul. I'm gonna go clean up the fridge right now, take out what needs to be thrown out actually, and clean it. Actually, no. Take out everything, clean it, and put the new refrigerator liners. Yeah. Now, so we're gonna clean that. And then I kind of like need to wipe this out, take out those Alright, I'll talk to you guys later because I cannot keep talking the whole time. My throat is bugging me. Okay, bye bye. Oh my god, you guys, this side of the fridge is clean. Wow! That's the cleanest it can be, you guys, okay? Oh my god, pat in my back. This on the other side, it's not clean yet because I'm trying to like clean this first so I could put back the stuff and clean this side as well. On the other side, that's what I meant. But yeah, here it is. I'm gonna put back the racks and put the liners now. Oh my goodness, I didn't know how long it takes to clean a fridge. A whole fridge only, by the way, not the freezer, because that's a different story. So yeah, realistic fridge. Here you go. Okay, not so organized, but it's very useful. Again, this is split between us and our roommate, so yes. This one is clean as well.
I dream of December nights, kissing under bright lights, snowflakes in my hair, carols playing